Hello viewers, welcome to back my YouTube channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope you all is fine. So viewers, happy and keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful crochet designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first. Also make sure to follow, be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs show to your pupil in the. If you like today's videos and share it with to your friends and family members. You can't many videos from my videos very helpful and useful for you guys. So I keep will sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. Be sure to let in the comment box how will like and subscribe to you want to videos related to crochet. Visit my channel Crochet Lovers. Now how to do the work love yourself, and if you guys do, you can take a screenshot from my videos and how it to someone else, and you can make similar designs. For this type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such videos. Amazing very videos has a lovely designs for you. Don't miss my every videos on my channel. So viewers, today in this video my channel, I am very happy that you like my videos and good comment. Please let me in no comment if you guys are interested in my videos. I am very grateful to take people who are subscribed to my channel all the designs. Thanks my dear. Take care. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.